Hello guys, this is Masonic Storm. Today we're gonna do the how to replace a new infinite switch control of GE range. Here it is, and the burner is always making high the controller of this in the front, and you will see, and doesn't have the control on it. It keeps like too high all the time, even if you change into lower level like that. It's 5, and it keeps higher and it doesn't change, it keeps like that. So the problem is the switch control is not working, or something wrong, and I order like that. I make it low but still high. I see it's low over there and still high on it. And so I bought this one. The parts from GE is genuine parts. This is a infinite switch control. You will see it here, and I'll show you how to replace that. Okay. The tools that we need, guys, is a nut driver, screwdriver, and plier. And before we do that, unplug our switch or the breaker, and make sure there's no electricity, and you need to unplug it first before we do the installation. Right here at the back. So I'll show you. We need to unscrew this. So this is the infinite control switch that we had. This for the large burner and for the small burner. Okay, this one large burner, you have to replace it. Make sure you have to take the picture first before you take it out, and so that you know where to connect all the right connection for the switch. And for me, I have to take it out one by one and plug it the same, right? And before you buy the parts, you need to open this at the back, so you know the right parts, and ask the GE for which one to buy, and before you buy it online. Okay, so we're gonna start it now. Here we have the same parts that I bought it. For the large burner. Okay, that's why the burner, this is the usually the problem. Why is the burner is getting high, and there's no control to make it lower. This is the most commonly problem on it. So this easy job, and you can save money on this. You can do it by yourself. No need to call the for the repairman to do it. So you can save money on it. Just make it sure you put on the right connection, right? So we'll do it one by one. Okay, you have to remove the knob. Remove the knob first. do it like this. Right. Slowly, so it won't break. As you can see right there, and yeah, just have to remove it like that. All right. There you go. Unscrew it first. And here. I took it out. So we're gonna remove one by one. First, the white one, the yellow one. Make sure they're all the same parts. Yeah, we got the right one, right? Okay. First, so it won't be confused for you. Right. All right. Put on the same connection, the connector. So we'll put it back like that. So I have two problems, the large burner, two large burner. So I need to already change the other one, the front one, the right side, and now we're going the left side. Okay. So we'll remove it. Be careful. I'll do the same. Just use the flat screwdriver to snap all like that easily. Just push here. Just push it like that, right? And unscrew it. Do the same thing before we replace the back. Right. Okay. I have another one. So same procedure. One by one. We'll take it out one by one and then connect it. Okay guys, let's see how does it work now. it's working. So I turn the one on the front burner, and we'll see if it's working. Make it automatic. Right there, as you can see, the burner. And now I put it into 6. So let's watch it. If it is turned off when he reached the height, that height. Okay, now it's working. You see that? And let's see, wait one more time. Oh, see? It doesn't stay high anymore, so it means it's working. Alright, so turn it off, and we'll see the other one too. When I change, I'll put into 5 right there. As you can see, let's see if it turns off. Once you reach the level, oh, turns off. And we'll see again. This is in 5. Okay, again, I heard that. Click on that switch, control switch. Alright, so it means it's working. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.